Strategies to minimize debt in your life. In today's society, where debt has become almost unavoidable, it is crucial to equip yourself with the right knowledge and tools to manage and reduce your debt effectively. Whether it's from student loans, credit card bills, or medical expenses, you need to take control of your finances. Fortunately, there are a few specific strategies that help minimize debt in your life. Understand your debt. The first step in minimizing debt is to gain a deep understanding of it. Take some time to sit down and meticulously list all your debts, including the amount owed, interest rates, and minimum payments required. This comprehensive overview will provide you with a clear picture of your current financial standing and enable you to prioritize and address your debts strategically. Live a minimal lifestyle. Embracing a minimal lifestyle can significantly contribute to reducing your spending habits and overall debt. By consciously focusing on your needs rather than wants, resisting the urge to make unnecessary purchases, and actively seeking ways to save money, you can pay off your debts. Embracing a simpler lifestyle will help you save money and eliminate your debts so that you can live a calm, debt-free life. Create a budget. Creating a well-defined budget is a crucial step in effectively managing and reducing debt. When you meticulously track your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you can spend less and quickly pay off your debts. Sticking to your budget diligently and avoiding unnecessary purchases will help you maintain financial discipline and stay on track. Seek professional help. If you find yourself overwhelmed with debt or struggling to make progress despite your best efforts, seeking professional help can be highly beneficial. Credit counseling agencies and financial advisors specialize in providing expert guidance and resources tailored to your unique financial situation. By partnering with a credit counselor or financial advisor, you gain access to a wealth of knowledge and tools that can empower you to effectively reduce your debts. When you follow these proven strategies to minimize debt in your life, you can take control over your life again and work toward a more financially secure future. It's important to remember that minimizing and eliminating debt is a long journey requiring time, effort, and perseverance.